Hello, this is Scott, and this is my 5th stop on my Florida tour. This stop is in Homestead, Florida, which is the home of one of the NASCAR stadiums, which you can see here. And I stayed at the Miami Everglades Resort, which was very nice. Additionally, one of the places that is highly recommended that you go to here is called Robert is Here. It is a fruit stand, fruit smoothie place, and it has been open for a long time and came into real notoriety after it opened up after one of the hurricanes. Was one of the first places to open that people could stop and get smoothies. So that's one of the important places that you should stop in Homestead. The other thing about Homestead is the reason to stop there is that there are 2 national parks there. One is Biscayne National Park, which is mostly underwater. It's you can take a boat tour, which I did out to this island. There's a little lighthouse there built there. That it's a Fox lighthouse. It's not a real lighthouse. If they turned on the light at it, it would cause ships to crash. But they built it as a showpiece for the person who originally owned the island. And now you can go and you can park your boat there if you want. Stay overnight. I think there's a fee to do that. But as I said, I took the boat tour out and climbed up the lighthouse and spent about a day doing that. Beautiful island. It was a beautiful day. And that was my trip to Biscayne. Had a real nice parasailer out here, so that was enjoyable. My second day in Homestead, I ended up going to the Florida Everglades National Park and drove in. It is a beautiful drive. They have a nice little museum area up front, but one of the good places I stopped was the Anahinga Trail. I saw a lot of wildlife there. Also saw a ton of crocodiles. Probably saw 20 to 30 crocodiles there. Lots of birds, lots of tropical plants. And then they also have a lot of other hiking trails that you can go down. Paradise Ski Hammock. There is also the Mahogany Hammock, and they are wonderful trails that you can hike down. The one thing that was a little disturbing was how close some of the other tourists got to some of the crocodiles that were out sunning themselves. Also, while I was there, I got to see the manatees. They were out that day. There's a big pelican. Wasn't expecting to see manatees, but there were probably 6 to 8, something like that, there that were bopping up and down. And then the Everglades is kind of interesting because it's one of the few places that have both crocodiles and alligators. And so I was able to get a picture of an alligator while there. And the Mahogany Hammock Trail was a beautiful hike. I love mahogany, so it was nice to see those trees out in the wild. And there you go. That is the 5th stop on my Florida tour in Homestead, Florida. Next will be coming up Key West, and spent about 10 days down there. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.